Ko ma foi mau la e ke Tonga ka e ke Paula ni Paula. Tapu ki he sea. Tapu ki he kau pa mau. Ladies and gentlemen, to the chair and the table and all of you. Fatulau ki he mahina ta moi la a. Once upon a time, there is a sun and a moon. Koe ahoni, koe aho tak mamata. Today is Thursday, and tomorrow is Friday. Au kau mai e kau palangi, koe tak mamata. Palangi go to Fiji. China come to Tonga. Vaini ai lau kawanga. Ko fuak ke South Paula. Ke lau tau ataina he mahina kakato e taha. The Ministry of Health have withhold Vaini for 1 month. Because we are too good. It's too be true. And good for our health. Kung nga wait tatak mabat, mo opa mayo tokon bibay. Yam sin kos ya kenga tong mua. Thank you, Your Excellency, for the lawnmower and for all the donor for Tonga. And we from Vaini are very happy. Pamedai so puloto. Ia tawa usia wa kolo koe. Fia ai e Tonga. He koe tak mamata ai. Lau kau e Tonga kotoa. Tonga tai kakai lele. Customer service here in Tonga, no good. But we try our best. Oku mau teke, te a teke. Ai whakalakalaka. Ihe tak mamata. We try to push and push to the limit. Te umata he, ka mau foki, ki hu whangalupe. We come on a bus, and I know I'm going back on a walking. Lewa malaka, Faka'ofo'ofa ekia, and they both live happily ever after. God bless you.